Hey guys, it's me, Dashama, and I'm actually really excited to share with you about this new product that I got. It's called Lumineux, and it's an all-natural like oral hygiene system. And the reason this is so interesting is because a lot of the products that we buy in the store, whether it's like toothpaste or whitening products for the teeth, or like mouthwash or many different things like that, tend to have a lot of chemicals and like toxic chemicals that are in them, and most people don't realize this, but it goes into your system and absorbs into your gut, and it can start to destroy your gut and cause many different problems, accumulates over time, and what it starts to destroy what we call the gut microbiome. So the microbiome is kind of like the little ecosystem inside of the gut. So in your gut, you have all these like little good guys. They're like little bacteria that help you to break down your food and digest your food and things like that. And then when you take in harsh chemicals, or like over time they accumulate in your system, what happens is it starts to deteriorate and destroy the natural gut microbiome, and then you start to have a lot of digestion issues, also acne, and like can affect your mind, even your clarity of thinking, your brain, but your digestion, maybe you get like bloating and gases. There's a lot of different bad side effects from this. So anyway, I love this company because all their products are made, it's all natural. So this is one of the coolest ones. It's whitening strips, all natural whitening strips, because usually these whitening strips are going to be made with like bleaches and different toxic chemicals, and this one's all natural. It's made with like coconut product and stuff, so it's you can read it, coconut oil, it's a different sage oil, lemon oil, it has glycerol, diazonide water. I don't know how to pronounce these things, but basically it's all natural ingredients, you can see in the back. And this is just like a whitening strips. So people ask me all the time, how do I keep my teeth so white? And I've always been into whitening, honestly. I mean, a couple things that really make your teeth yellow or like darker colored. One of them is drinking dark colored things, like coffee is a big one. Coffee, any kind of dark tea even, and red wine. Those are two of the biggest ones. Anyway, so this is how the whitening strips goes. It's like this, super simple. It's just like mainly like regular ones, but this is an all natural one, and I'm gonna do it right here with you, so it's super simple. You can see how it goes. And then you put this one on the top, all the way on, and then you fold it so it goes like that. See, and then I'll do the bottom one. Actually, it tastes really good. It's all natural. That's like a good taste. That's cool. And then the bottom one is like this. So you just make sure that the littler thing is at the top, and you're gonna fold that in, and you just put it there, just like that, and fold it in. So now it's in, and then you want to leave on for 30 minutes, so you can see. You see right there, 30 minutes. I don't know. And that's it. Oh my god, it tastes so good. It's like having candy. Okay, so you do this 30 minutes, and you can do this, honestly, whenever I'm trying to get my teeth whiter, because they get yellowish sometimes, So what you want to do, first of all, don't drink anything while you have it in, because it's gonna disrupt it, and it's gonna make it not stick. And that's the only reason. It's not because it's toxic. But even while you have this in your mouth, you can actually taste it, and you can see as you swallow, you're ingesting this. So if you use the ones that are not natural, obviously you're ingesting toxic chemicals. This is number one. And number two, you can do this like as many times, like maybe once a day for a few days. You can do it over the course of a week or 2 weeks. You got to look at your teeth and see how many shades lighter you want them to get. And that's how you determine, how many you're going to do. Because some people say, how long does it take to get your teeth white? And for me, it's not a matter of like how many days. It's more like you know, how yellow are they? And then how much, you know, lighter do you want them to get? So this is how you're going to test it. Like for me, usually it takes just like a couple days and then I'll get them all white again. So I don't really drink coffee though or anything like that. So if you're like the type of person drinking coffee, you have to realize that's what's making your teeth more yellow. The other thing that I love from this company, they have a toothpaste. So this one is whitening without sensitivity. So this is a whitening toothpaste, and I'll tell you what's in it. It's all natural. Aloe vera, xylitol, which is amazing for your teeth, by the way. Xylitol is a natural sweetener, but it's great for your teeth. And then it has like sage oil and spearmint and all these amazing, really good ingredients. Even has Dead Sea salt. So this is a great toothpaste. I'm really, really happy about that. And then this is a mouthwash. So Oral Perfection, it's just mouthwash, you can see, and no peroxide, no artificial flavors or toxic chemicals, nothing like that. And it whitens your teeth too. So all of these products are natural and they all whiten your teeth. It's like, what a great product. Everybody needs this. Enamel friendly, it's all safe, PBA free, so even the plastic is good and healthy. And I'll tell you what's in it. This one also has aloe, xylitol, Dead Sea salt. This has a lot of the same ingredients, mint, sage oil, has a lot of the same ingredients as the toothpaste. Anyway, so this goes great with the toothpaste and the whitening strips. And the other thing comes in my box. I'm excited, I get this whole box. It's like a whole kit. You should get the kit. The kit's the way to go. If you want the kit, click the link in my bio. You can get 15% off this amazing kit. It also comes with an all-natural toothbrush. This is the coolest thing, honestly. Look at this. This one's a soft bristle. Look how great this is. Because you know what it is? The other ones that you buy are all plastic. This is a non-plastic toothbrush. What a great thing. Okay, so basically it's, I'll tell you what, it's made with a bamboo. And even the bristles are made with castor. So this is an all-natural toothbrush made with bamboo and castor. This is the greatest thing. If you have people in your life that, you know, are really need a little oral hygiene, even just for yourself, you know, this is a great product. I highly, highly encourage. Click the link in my bio. You can use the code and get 15% off of your kit. You'll get the toothpaste, the mouthwash, the whitening strips, and the toothpaste, mouthwash, whitening strips, and the toothbrush. Yes, this is the best thing ever. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to answer. But definitely consider, like, everything that you ingest is affecting your gut microbiome. So you want to always ingest anything you're bringing into you, even onto your skin, but in your mouth especially, should be the highest quality ingredients, organic ingredients, natural ingredients, because everything absorbs into your cells and affects your long-term health. But especially when it comes to your gut microbiome, because 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut, and the serotonin influences your happiness. So this is actually going to affect your happiness. You're going to become more happy just by doing things like this, because overall your gut is determining your level of happiness. So check it out. Click the link in my bio, leave a comment, click like, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Share with your friends that are interested in this type of thing, because ultimately natural is the way to go. I'm going to start posting more videos about my natural product recommendations, because this is the wave of the future. Right now with the climate crisis and all the different things that are happening on the planet, we need more people making conscious decisions, supporting businesses that are focused on natural organic ingredients, that are not harming the earth, that are not harming our health, and that are creating an environment of health and happiness and sustainability for the planet and for humanity. So this is an amazing company, Lumineux, and I highly, highly recommend you check it out. Click the link in my bio and let me know how you like it. Many blessings, sending you so much love. Mwah. Namaste.